Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today I am bringing a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Mithunder. Mithunder, guys, is amazing token project. In this video, I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Mither, the token that rewards you for taking care of the ecosystem. We reward you for caring for the planet. At Mithunder, we believe that the best way to add value is by helping to protect environment and creating life. That's why, for example, if you plant a tree, we will reward you with Mither token. Mither token has rare utility. You can exchange it for nights of accommodation in sustainable cabins, purchase services, exchange it for books and ebooks from Imaginate Publishing. Trade it on MinSwap and much more. Next guy, you can scroll down and see this. You can buy our Mythic token now. The cryptocurrency revolution has arrived and you don't want to miss the opportunity to be part of it. We are excited to announce that you can now purchase our Mythic token easily and securely directly from our official website. How? Thanks to our collaboration with renowned partner Dex Hunter. So guys, you can check here, you can see this, you can buy now, powered by Dex Hunter. So first of all, you can connect your wallets, you can click here, you can see this, you can choose wallet now, then you can select network. So guys, you can click here and select network. For example, I select network EDA, then you can enter your EDA network amount, then you can receive Mither token. Now if you want to sell Mither token, then you can click here and enter your Mither token amount, then you can receive ADA now. And as you can check here, it's the perfect time to dive into the exciting world of Mither. Don't wait any longer and make you cryptocurrencies work for you. View Mither token on pool.pm policy ID. You can check here corporate social responsibility. We tell you about Mithunder and corporate social responsibility. And next guys, you can scroll down and see this. Who are we? Token Mithunder SAS is a company registered in the Argentina Republic and works with volunteers in more than 10 countries. Our district office is located at Blanco in Calada 48923B, Buenos Aires, Argentina. You can check here. Next, you can contact us. Token Mithunder SAS. You can see this Blanco calendar. You can check here. You can see the official contact number. You can contact us. Email info@mither.io. And next, I will discuss what is our mission. We are a platform dedicated to protecting the Earth ecosystem and we believe the environment is vital to human existence. Our mission through the creation of this project called Mithunder is among other things to recognize and value the unpaid work and sources that individuals dedicated to performing these tasks currently face in all nation states. This token will help stimulate their work and help them achieve a better quality of life, we believe, and now. These jobs are directly and indirectly related to humanity's quality of life. You can check out it. You can see this in terms of forestry. We plan to carry out reward activities to encourage and educate about the importance of the simple act of reforesting different species for human existence. Therefore, for city developers, we will carry out campaigns through social media to reforest potted plants in exchange for which they will receive gift tokens as prizes. You can check here. I'll tell you can see this. Next guy, you can check here. Do you want to meet our team? You can check here. You can see the total supply of tokens mined NFTs amount 8,150. Total current cash. You can check here. And next guy, you can check here metrics and mention. Do you know our token metrics and what we are mentioned? The Mithunder token is primarily available on decentralized exchanges. The most notable is MinSwap, but we are also available in centralized exchange like CoinGecko. So guys, you can check here. So guys, you can click here and see this. We go to CoinGecko. So guys, you can check here in CoinGecko exchange listing Mithunder token price 0.004824 $. You can check here. You can scroll down and see this price chart of Mithunder. You can check here price up and down. You can get huge profit now. You can check here. So first of all, you can connect your wallet, then you can convert Mithana. You can check here, and next we back to the home page. And next you can check here to summarize. We give you some examples. Here we appear information about the Mither token offering, Mithrender token price history, Mithrender token analysis on token metrics. You can check here alter, and next I will discuss why Mither. We explain the benefits to you. Easy to get, secure, interchangeable, interconnects ecosystem, create value 24/7. You can check here Altail, and next you can check here to summarize. We give you some example of the actions that will be rewarded in the forms of tokens. Plants are tree, take care of plants, plants, clean parks, clean river banks, conserve energy, conserve drinking water, reduce waste, recycle waste. You can check here, and as you can see these team member of this project, Mithranders. You can check here team members. You can see these. All is the team member of this project. You can check here all detail of this project. Remember, all is the team member of this project. And NASCA, you can go to another detail about this project. More volunteers by country. Volunteers from different countries, volunteers from the Democratic Republic of the Congo, volunteers from Venezuela. You can check here more volunteer. NASCA, you can to buy NFT, visit the page gpg.store. You can check, you can buy NFT now. You can see these donations to Mither. In order to move forward and improve every day, we need to help you to secure sources to support this project. If you did like to donate, you can send ADA to Mither, our visitor. You can check here, you can donate now. You can see this, and as we go to this project roadmap. April 2023, second Cardano tokens, insurance view, direct sale, first Mither book, May 2023, third token, insurance and listing on MinSwap, June 2023, keep delivering, fourth insurance and generation of tokens and NFTs, July 2023, development of POCS. Mobile and web application for automatic reward control and claiming finalized. August 2023 presentation and start of proposal review in Catalyst. And next you can click here and see this another roadmap. September 2023 second book of Mither and financial education finalized. October 2023 Mither third books in France and more NFTs. November 2023 networking and community expansion, education, star etc. December 2023 token insurance prototype on other EVM networks. January 2024 integration to make swap on the official page. February 2024 community expansion, newscast, business adoption, more volunteer. Guys, you can check here roadmap of this project, and next you can see this token is 420 million Mither token will be distributed unmarked for regional microeconomies for a fair and efficient system for all. You can check here, you can see these all the documents, and next you can check here frequently asked question, what is Mither, what is token intended for, why will it have a socio-economic use. You can check here all the frequently asked question. You can check here donations to Mither. Do you want to be a volunteer? You can enter your email, then you can want to be a volunteer now. And next I will go to Mither white paper. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. It take time, then you can see this page is open now. Guys, you can check here token Mithrender official white paper. You can read it carefully all detail. You can check here all is the white paper of this project. You can check here, and next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can check here white paper ACCIO. So guys, you can click here and see this white paper ACCIO token. You can check here, PDF is almost open now. And next guys, you can check here, you can see this news, opinion, alliances. You can check here training, trade agreements, asset tokenization, medicine and AI and blockchain, IT consulting, Web3 and financial consulting, content creation, personal branding. You can check here, you can click here and see these products. And next guys, you can see this more detail. Guys, you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Medium. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this token Mithrender official Twitter page is open. You can follow here and give information about this project. You can check here all posts. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post. Actually, back to the home page. And next guys, we go to this project Telegram. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here Token with Render official Telegram group chat community is open. You can check here 15,265 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. And next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.